Now I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about the differences between Great Stuff Pro straw foam, which is shown on the left, and the Great Stuff Pro gun foam, which is shown on your right. Before I dispense any foam, I want to make sure that I'm protecting myself. I've got chemical resistant gloves on and eye protection, which is just fine for dispensing these products. There are big differences between gun foam and straw foam, mainly is how the material gets out of the can. This Great Stuff Pro Gaps and Cracks straw foam needs to be held upside down before it's dispensed. I'm going to show you what the bead looks like. Although you get plenty of foam coming out of a straw foam, it's difficult to control the bead size. In addition, you do continue to get dripping from the end of the dispensing straw. Our Great Stuff Pro window and door foam also comes in a straw version. Straw foams are most desirable by contractors that don't use foam very frequently. Again, you get plenty of foam out, but you do have issues with continual dripping out of the straw applicator. Gun foams are really geared for professionals that use foam on a daily basis. The main differences between gun foam and straw foam would be the amount of control you have of the foam bead coming out. Our window and door foam on a gun, the bead size can be varied by the operator depending on how far back he pulls the trigger. In addition, you have a positive shutoff. You'll notice no dripping on the end of the gun when you don't want foam coming out. We do have several types of guns that can be used with our gun foam. This example is a Pro 13 dispenser. The Pro 13 dispenser is a low-cost, basically throwaway metal tool used for people that want to get the advantages of a gun foam but don't necessarily need the top-of-the-line foam tool. You still have the positive shutoff, but you have a shorter barrel and a plastic handle, and most importantly, the adapter doesn't have a Teflon coating, which is important if you don't want foam to stick to the gun. The next model of gun that we offer is a Pro 14 dispenser. This is a true contractor modeled gun. It does dispense foam the same way that the Pro 13 does. Gives you precise control and a positive shutoff, but it does have a longer barrel. In addition, you can extend the reach with a straw by adding it onto the barbed tip. The last gun model that we offer is a Pro 15. This is our top-end model. It does have a longer barrel, precise dispensing control, a Teflon-coated adapter, which is nice to have the gun come off easily, and you can see it dispenses foam very nicely. In addition, gun foams tend to give you more yield out of the can than a straw foam will because it allows a thinner skin on the finished foam product, which gets you more yield. Lastly, you want to make sure that you've got tool cleaner on hand, not only to make sure that your tool is operating properly and stays clean, but if you were to get foam on something that you didn't want it on, if you hit it with this tool cleaner before it's cured, you'll see it dissolves it.